So first thing I want to show off is RTMP ingest. What this allows you to do is actually to receive a live stream from anywhere in the world. It's super simple to set up. You just grab a stream key. You set this up ahead of time with a stream key and the stream URL. You provide that to your software or your hardware encoder, wherever that's going to be in the world. And then you can very easily ingest a feed. So I have a software encoder set up where I'm just streaming just a piece of video content to give us a little bit of motion, some Zoomtopia footage here. But this could be just about anything. This could be a software encoder with a bunch of media to play. This could be a live camera feed from a stage in a hybrid event. This could be maybe some broadcast cameras covering a sporting event or some sort of a competition event of some sort. Anything where I would want to very quickly and easily bring in a stream from somewhere else in the world. Very simple to do. You simply provide the stream key. Here I'm previewing it. I can just find it here in the incoming live stream, and I'm going to go ahead and send it live. What this does is actually brings this now into our webinar, and it's ready to go for my audience. It actually is immediately spotlighted for my audience if that's all I want to do. But we're in a Production Studio webinar, so let's see what we can do with Production Studio. Since it comes in as a presenter, we can use Production Studio scenes to manipulate it accordingly before sending it to our audience. So here's what it looks like when it's actually in our 1UP box. Remember our 1UP box that we made? Where earlier we had Ed in it, but here I can now bring in my camera feed from a live stage or something like that. Or include it in any of these other scenes. So maybe I want Ed and the stream and this media to be existing together in a scene. Super simple to do, looks great, and allows me to kind of add that Production Studio polish to whatever my event would be. So if you're running any kind of hybrid events, I bet a few bells went off, a few light bulbs went off of how simple this would be to provide your AV team RTMP feed, RTMP stream key, send it in, manipulate it, and now you're producing a really, really nice show.